Hello, I'm Emmanuel and this is Kitchen Ordinaire. I love playing around in the kitchen, having a good time while putting together simple but delicious meals that don't break the bank. So let's cook dinner together and have some fun!
Hello everybody. This holiday season is going to be different for everyone. Instead of traveling to see family and loved ones, and instead of having a bunch of happy people around a big table, many of us will be staying home cooking for one or maybe two. And that's okay too. Next year, hopefully, we can celebrate together. In the meantime, here are 3 recipes for side dishes that we enjoy when having a special dinner. We wish you all the best in 2021. And happy holidays!
Hello, everybody! Let's start this holiday cooking with stuffing. With veggies. Look at all these veggies. So many colors, so wonderful. And the bread I'm using is cornbread. Made it the day before, so it's a little bit stale. Let's get cracking. We're gonna be chopping vegetables. Chop chop. Celery. The carrots. We're also going to be shredding the carrots. If you have a food processor, please use it. Otherwise, just sing while you cut stuff. Delicata squash. Hey look, I'm a squash. But be nice with me because I'm delicata. Okay, we're going to chop this up. So you peel it, the skin is really hard, so take your time. And then we cut it lengthwise. And then look at what's inside, all those seeds. We don't eat those. That's the hollowed out squash. Then I make just long sticks, and that allows me to cut dice. I'm gonna want about a cup. The leftover, you can roast it and make squash fries. Ooh, traveling shot. Exciting. So heat up some oil. We're going to soften up some of the veggies, the onion, the celery, and the squash with some a little bit of salt and pepper. And while that cooks, we're gonna chop up the rest of the vegetables. Yeah, just like that. Medium-high heat. Let's go to the other side. Okay, so I've got my shredded carrots. I'm going to add jalapeno and some red bell pepper and parsley. I want about a cup of parsley, so take out the stems, then kind of measure it out like this. Yeah, there you go, that's a cup. Chop it up. And then be careful making dice of bell pepper. I've talked about this before, they're slippery. Now these guys, yes, they're hot. You know what? If you've got some plastic gloves, and you know, these days people have plastic gloves, use them. So I've got my knife hand, and the hand that I'm holding the pepper with. Don't rub your face with your glove, or scratch your nose. It's not fun. I've done it, it's not fun. Alright, so we're chopping this up. We just removed the most of the seeds and the ribs of the jalapeno. And away goes the glove, and still, you're gonna want to wash your hands. Let's do it. So just one jalapeno. This stuffing is not super spicy. Just a nice little bit of flavor. Alright, let's season this up. Oh, let's check on our softening veggies. Hey, they're ready to go. They just have a little bit of color. That's it. Mix them in. I'm so careful not to waste anything. It's kind of funny. A little bit of chili lime. I've got some oregano. And some sage that my neighbor gave me. It's nice and crumbly. Oh look, I even measured out the salt, so 1 teaspoon of that I guess. And a few turns of the peppermill. And now we're gonna grab the cornbread and just make it into some really like large chunks, because once we mix it up it's going to disintegrate the cornbread even more. I'm making sure I preheated the oven. Yes, done. Yeah, you want to check. And oil up the, grease up the dish. Your mix goes in there. I did add 1 cup of vegetable stock. Don't miss that. If you don't do that, it's going to be really too dry. And now I'm kind of patting it down and pressing it down. Look at all the colors. It kind of looks like a frittata, but there's no egg in there. Bake it, and then it's delicious once it's done. Ooh, bourbon cranberry sauce. Yes, I know. A lot of people like it out of the can. They want the ridges. They want the jello type cranberry sauce. This is so much more fun to make though. So first you want to check your cranberries. Of course, if you see some very soft and tiny, like spotted, rotten ones, you take them out. And you also sort them. You run some water through them and then you feel them with your hand. The ones that are really soft, you want to discard. I've got a tangerine. I'm gonna zest it. If you have a small orange, that works too. I just add cuties, tangerines. Goes in there, the zest of one. And then I'm going to juice it and add it to my cranberries. There you go. See, I have a nice citrus juicer. The manual kind. Alright, now we're going to add our sugar. So that's 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar and 1/3 of a cup of the regular white sugar. Here we go. On the heat it goes at high temperature because we're going to make the sugar melt. Oh hey, did you forget something? I forgot something. Yes. I mean, after all, this is bourbon cranberry sauce. So here we go. The good stuff from Kentucky. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Yeah, I'm gonna put a 1/3 tablespoon in there. Mix that up. And you're going to notice the change in the cranberry. So they just came on. They're big and round and full. While that cooks, we're going to start our gratin. So check out this jumbo sweet potato. Yam. Once I cut it up, it's going to almost fill up this dish here. Let's check out our cranberries. Ooh, looking nice. More cutting sweet potato. More checking on the cranberries. Caramel. Melting. Beautiful. Keep chopping, dude. Don't give up now. You're almost done. Look, they have almost all disintegrated. They're almost all gone. So yes, now I've got jelly. Alright, it's okay to press them down and really pop them, whatever is left of your cranberries. I mean, you're still gonna see like little bits of cranberry. It's not all liquid. Let's call it a chunky cranberry sauce. But once it cools off, it will be almost like the Jell-O you find in the cans. Except way better. For now, however, it is steamy. So you want to cool it off, and then it looks like that. Beautiful. Okay, we're chopping an onion. Oh, look at what came out of the oven. That's our stuffing. Doesn't it look nice? I think it looks nice. Alright, we saute the onion, salt and pepper. We add our sausage. I'm using spicy Italian sausage. It's got a nice kick to it. And once it's almost all cooked, we're going to turn the heat down, cover it up while we prep the rest of our gratin. So here are our sweet potatoes that are all cut up. We're going to butter up this dish. That's right. Spread that around. Do the sides because it's going to go up high. Nice buttering job. Seasonings. Thyme, salt, pepper, and then heavy cream and milk. Mix that all up, and then we're doing a layer. So I'm covering the bottom with a layer of my slices of sweet potato. Then I'm going to add a little handful of cheese. I'm using a sharp cheddar, and then one layer of the cooked sausage and onion. Spread it around so it covers up. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to cover up, and then you repeat the process. Layer of potatoes, a little bit of cheese. Here we go with the sausage. And then see how we calculated this beautifully? No potato left, just the rest of the cream and the milk. That goes on top. Panko breadcrumbs, couple of tablespoons. Yeah, put that away. Oh yeah, more cheese. All told, I'm using about half a cup of cheese for this gratin. Because the power of cheese is a real thing. Crack some pepper on top. Sprinkle a little bit of thyme. And then cover it up. And in the oven it goes. And you're done. .350-degree oven for about 50 minutes. That's it. 3 side dishes for your holiday dinner. Let me know in the comment section how they turned out, and if you're happy, hit the like button. YouTube likes it when you hit the like button, and I do too. Thanks for watching. Bon appétit.